Welcome to the walkthrough of ggshot VI4, the 2025 edition of our flagship indicator, now fully re-engineered for precision, speed, and automation. Let's begin by opening the indicator settings and exploring the core configuration options. You can choose between 4 trading modes, each designed for a specific style. Advanced mode for extra trend lines acting as support and resistance, useful for entering, increasing, or closing positions. Classic mode removes limit-based take profits, focusing on dynamic take profit levels or support resistance-based exits. Channel mode transforms the indicator into a channel trading tool, generating signals when prices touch the upper or lower boundaries of the channel. Ideal for range-bound markets. Or standard mode applies preset adaptive, limit-based take profit and stop-loss levels, tailored to each strategy for structured exits. Below that is the oscillator mode, available in 2 configurations. Enable mode creates signals, green and red cross, in both directions, independent of the primary trend for mixed market conditions. By trend mode, filters signals to align with the current trend, ensuring they follow the market's primary direction. Next, let's take a look at the backtest panel. You can choose between small and large modes depending on how much information you want displayed on the chart. Large mode provides a complete performance overview in real time. It includes accuracy breakdown over the last 5, 10, and 20 trades, separate stats for long and short setups, total win-loss count and final net profit, profit factor, average hold time, and win streaks. Success rates for each of the 4 take profit levels. This mode is ideal for active tracking and in-depth strategy evaluation without needing external spreadsheets or tools. Small mode condenses the layout while still showing essential data, perfect for mobile or low visual setups. Now let's enable the filters. ggshot VI4 includes 2 optional filters to improve signal quality. Volume filter filters out signals during low volume phases. Flat zones filter blocks entries in compressed or sideways market zones. As you can see, enabling filters improves accuracy, especially in sideways or low volume conditions. Next is the immediate entry option. When enabled, the signal executes instantly without waiting for candle confirmation. This logic is applied to all alerts sent to the ggshot bot. Next, let's look at the visual enhancements and supporting modules. Dynamic targets enables 4 fully adaptive take profit levels. This improves exit precision and aligns with asset momentum across market phases. Show next entry predicts the next signal's trigger price in advance, gives you a visual edge in timing your entry before the signal appears. Show max profit displays the highest ROI reached by each closed signal, a useful visual reference for reviewing execution quality post-trade. Show additional entries highlights valid re-entry points or scaling levels. All logic is rule-based to ensure structured and repeatable decision-making. Long-short opportunity alerts you visually when a setup is forming, perfect for manual traders who want to stay ahead of the curve. Support and resistance zones automatically maps out key levels for entry and exit decisions, helpful for contextualizing trades within broader market structure. Finally, let's talk about strategies. ggshot VI4 comes with over 150 optimized strategy presets, each tailored to specific timeframes and assets. All signals generated by these strategies are sent directly to the @ggshot bot, and every one of them supports automated execution through integrated trading bot. If the asset you're trading isn't on the list, no problem. You can simply activate the universal AI strategy, which adapts to any market, any pair, and any time frame in real time. It dynamically adjusts filters, TP and SL parameters in trading logic based on current volatility and trend structure. Let's turn it on and see how it performs across different pairs and timeframes. As you can see, this strategy handles everything, from low-cap altcoins to major Forex pairs and commodities, without any manual configuration. It's not just versatile, it's scalable. With universal AI, traders can build fully custom automated bots for any market using simple signal alerts. Whether you're running cross-market scalping systems or high time frame swing setups, this engine adjusts on its own and maintains consistent logic across the board. This makes it a perfect solution for signal-based automation, multi-asset execution, and adaptive portfolio strategies. No restrictions, no need for tuning. Just plug it in and let the system work.